I'm Chawla. I'm MT approved driving instructor working with AIAC driving school. And today we are in Orangeville. We are going to go to G Test route in Orangeville. They have got two routes, and we are going to go to each route one by one. But make sure you watch the both videos. So sometimes the examiners they mix and match these two routes also. And make sure you watch the both videos. And if you have any question about the G Test route in Orangeville, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chawla. Let's go to G Test route number 1. Let's go to Orangeville G Test route number 1. We park at this place and facing like the number spaces are there. Parks are at the number space. Then the examiner takes you right outside. And sometimes they're taking truck tests here. Be careful and look everywhere. Look around and go for the back side of this building and go straight here. Keep it smoothly, slowly here, maybe 30, 40 like that. Don't go too fast here. And mostly the cars are coming from the opposite side also. Be careful. Keep on the right side of the road. And then you're going here. And when you see that cars can come from any side, so be careful. Yeah. So look everywhere. Look both sides. Anyone coming? No one coming. We'll take a right from this stop sign. In second route, we will go left side from this stop sign. But right now we are going to the right side from this stop sign. Stop completely. Look, anyone coming? Anyone here? No one coming. We can take a right here. Yeah, go straight. And speed limit is 40 here. In this all small streets is 40 speed limit. For the first traffic light, that's a highway. We'll go left from this first traffic light, and that's the highway 10. See the 40 ends here, and this 80 on the highway. And we stop behind this car where we can see the wheels of the car. It's at a safe distance. Look for the traffic light. Light turn to green now. Look both sides before starting. Look, nobody's coming, so we can just turn left. When you go left here, we'll go to the first lane here. And then speed up, go to 70, 80 and then change it to right. Don't change it immediately. Go to first speed limit 70, 80 and then change it to right. Then look, mirror signal blind spot, look back and then change it to right here. And here a couple of times examiner will tell you to change it to left, change it to right. Make sure you don't change it in the middle of the intersection here. Yeah, like this, and check both sides in the intersection. Okay, whenever you feel safe, change it to left, come back to right. This is what examiner is going to tell you. Change it to right, like that. Look back, go back here. Then the next traffic light, we'll take left here. We'll go left from the next traffic light. Keep the left indicator on here now. And we'll go left from the next traffic light. And that is the first street. We'll take left from the first street here, and on the first street there's a lot of construction going on. Be careful, okay? And no one is coming. We can safely take left from the first street here, and see there's a lot of construction going on. Be careful around here. And speed limit is 50 here, because nothing is written is 50 here. If nothing is written, it's always 50 speed limit. And follow the pylons and drive accordingly. And see this one, change it to right. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to right again. And there's two lanes now, again change it to right, change it to right. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to right, change it to left again. You should expect a lot of lane changing in G Test. G Test is all about observation, lane changing lanes. And the next traffic light, we will take a left. Examiner will tell you to take a left from this traffic light. That's a 5th Avenue. We'll take a left here, and be careful. This is very small, like turning lanes here. So be careful here. We'll take a left here and take a left from this lane and go here. And it's again written here, maximum 40 area begins, right? So speed change like for very frequently here 40, 50, 80 like that, so be careful about the speed limit. And in sometimes the examiner can take you straight also from this traffic light, but I'm going to take you right, so I'll bring you back on the highway again. So examiner is going to take you on the highway 2 times in the G test. We'll take a right from this traffic light, take a right here. Look around, no one coming, it's safe to do so. Yeah. So again, this 40 here, 40 begins. Don't exceed speed limit. Follow the speed limit. Do all the observation correctly. Even if passing through this intersection, just have a look around there. Just a little bit look. It's always stop sign. Stop completely. Look both sides. We are the only one here. We'll go first. And make sure stop at stop sign completely. Complete stop is must. Even if you're only one, still you have to stop completely. Speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit. Nice. Again, it's a very long road. It's 40 speed limit. Don't exceed it. Again, there's always stop sign. Again, there's always stop sign. Always stop sign meaning is for everyone. Stop completely here. Look both sides. No one is coming. Can go. Next street, we will take a right. We'll take a right from the next street here. And the next stop sign, examiner will tell you to take left. And be careful, like watch clearly what is written on that stop sign. It's a two-way stop sign. Two-way stop sign meaning is for you and opposite side. Middle they don't stop. Middle cars won't stop there. So see it's written there, two-way stop sign. Stop completely and see if anybody coming from the other side. No one is there and no one is coming in the middle also. Right? See, the middle cars will not stop here. So two-way stop sign is very unique. And it's not always stop sign. It's not a simple stop sign. It's a two-way stop sign, meaning it's on the two sides having a stop sign. We'll take a right from this traffic light. So it's a red light. First stop your car completely at the red light. Complete stop. And then go further ahead. Check carefully anyone coming. Yeah, cars coming. Let this white car go. Then I will go. No one is there. I can go right. Light is green, but check both sides. First traffic light we will take a right. First traffic light will take a right. Don't drive on these parking lines. Okay. And a red light. First stop here completely. Complete stop. See anyone coming? No one. We can take a right here. And don't go without stopping on the red light. Even if you think that you're the only one there, there's a wall on the other side, still you have to stop at the red light. We are going straight here. Speed limit is 50 here. Check both sides. Light is green. Have a look on both sides. This 50 here speed limit. This is the first street. So go to 50 here on the first street. We'll go straight there. And here couple of times examiner will tell you change it to left, change it to right, like that. They won't tell you change it to left, right. They will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left, but come back to the right lane. So they wanted to make sure that you know the meaning of the safety. You have to check mirror, signal, blind spot regularly, so that you know that when it's safe to do so, change lane. When it's safe to do, not too safe to do so, change lane. So they want to make sure that you're looking the back mirror regularly. You're checking the blind spot when you're changing lanes. The light is red. Check both sides. Don't keep on staring at the light. Just both check both sides. Yeah, light is green. Again, check both sides. Then go. Yeah. The light is red, again stop. When you're stopping at the red light, make sure you look back mirror also, so that you don't suddenly stop. Look both side, look everywhere. Light is red, and check any pedestrian can come to your way. Look everywhere around there, no one is there. Light is going to turn green. That's okay, it's green. Check both sides before starting. Look around. Again, this 50 here. We're going straight. Yeah, light is green. We're going to go to back to again highway 10. It's 80 speed limit on highway 10, and it's 50 here. See, it's written there highway 10 right lane. So keep in a right lane here, and we're going to highway again. Go right here. Construction zone ends. Right turn here. Here to here. Turn right here. And see, cars are coming. You have to speed up and merge into the highway. You have to look, make a space for you, and then merge into the highway. See, it's 80 here. Go like a 70 or 80, and then merge into the highway. Don't jump at a slow speed. Yeah, like this. And here also examiner can tell you change it to left, change it to right, like that. So just listen what the examiner tell you to do. They want to make sure that you're looking back mirror regularly, checking blind spot when you're changing lane. That's why they tell you to change lane to left, change it to right. Next traffic light, we will take a right. Yeah, check blind spot again. There's a green light, we can take a right here. Right at the green light, we don't have to stop because no pedestrian is coming, nothing is coming, so we turn right here. And again is 40 limit. Come to the 40 speed limit, and we'll again going back to the test center, and we're going back to the test center. This will end your route number 1, and now I'm going to like, yeah, okay. So end of route number 1, and then they will bring you back from here, from the back of the building, and go nicely here 30 40. There's no speed limit here written, but go 30 and 40. You see there some cars are coming here, some people are doing the truck test also here. So if you drive like this, and if this is a route, you will pass for sure. And then they'll tell you to park somewhere here, find the right place and park here. And this is going to be our end of route number 1. Okay, you pass your test, and don't forget to watch my route number 2 video, so then you can you know that where they can take you exactly. So thank you very much for watching my first video. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Thank you for watching my video.